Hey guys, it's me Jessica, and today I'll be doing a slime review. I'm gonna be doing like 5 parts of this because I have a lot of slimes. I have like 30 slimes, no, like 45. I don't know. I've never counted. So make sure you go subscribe, comment. Comment down below which one of your slimes is your favorite. Which one of my slimes that I'm showing you today are your favorite. Make sure to go like. The like goal for this video is 15 likes because I've only got 2 likes. But this is my first video in a while and I'm so excited. So, first slime. Oh, by the way, I made all of these slimes by myself. And I made most of them with contact solution. A few of them I made them with ties. The first one is this gold slime. It was really good at first, but now it's like really bad. Yeah. I mean, I like this slime, but not really stretchy. So, ew, my hands feel so weird. Oh my god, what the heck? That is. Oh my god. Slime is literally covered in glitter. There is gold paint under, but you just don't see it. Okay, so next time, let me tell you a funny story about it. So basically, I was trying to make unicorn slime. It was pink and pink and purple. But then it turned out to this color, which is like kind of like a purpley color, like a lightish purple. On camera, it kind of looks like a periwinkle kind of color, but actually it's actually kind of like just a regular light. This one is pretty good. It does have a few, not a lot. I didn't say a lot. A few holes when you like stretch it and stuff. Like when you stretch it, like you can stretch it like this. It does have holes. But yeah, that's the second slime. Remember, comment down below which one's your favorite. If you're wondering where I'm getting all these slimes from, it's on my dresser. So I'm getting there in the back of my dresser, and the other slimes I'm putting next to the other. So the next one is pink crunchy slime. Because this one is not my favorite kind of slime. I don't really like. Well, I love slime, but it's just sometimes like the beads fall all over the place. It's really annoying because then I have to clean them up. Like, and it takes like an hour. I'm exaggerating, like 20 minutes. No, like 10. So this is this slime. Oh my gosh, they're already falling all over the place. So that's. I want to put it away now because it's really. I know. Really annoying. The next one is this one. It's clear foam. I do like foams a lot. I have like 10 containers of foam. Okay, so over here you can see there's like clearness. I love clear slime. Clear slime. Ooh, I'm gonna keep this for myself. You can see me, right? Exactly. That's why I love clear slime. It's probably my favorite kind of slime. This is probably my favorite slime you guys saw so far. So let's do some slime ASMR. Let me get some clear. We're gonna do it with the clear slime, then the flop. thing and it got foam beads in it. Once you play with it a lot, it gets like kind of like bubbly, like foggy. So, yeah. And then here's some clear slime over here. Literally, it's so clear. It looks so clear. If like it wasn't slime, and it was like most of this is foam. See, it's just like ripping apart. So, this is really cool. I like love this so much. Okay, so let's do some ASMR with this. So, can you guys see that? Wait, no, you can't see it. There we go. That's great. There. Okay. So that's that slime. No. I got on the carpet for a second. It's like, no, I don't want it to get hairy. Because one time my slime got hairy. I was like, please don't. So let's close this slime. Where's the cover to it? My beautiful slime. Okay, next. And this one is the same one as the pink one. So I'll just show you the outside. Here's the bottom. Here's the sides. Here's the top. So yeah, next one. Next one, I'm gonna do my yellow butter slime. I do love butter slime so much. So it's not stretchy that much, but I mean I still like it, and like it's not that sticky at all. So like I'll put it on my sock, and it won't. Be really easy to get off. Oh, it's all hairy. Great. We have 2 more. I'm gonna go live after this, I think. So yeah, make sure you watch that. It'll be awesome. And if you turn on my post notification, I'll make sure to do that too. And if you turn on my post notifications, you'll get a notification when I go live. So yeah, I never knew how to go live. I never did finally. It just came up today. I was like, that I never knew how to do live, but now because it never said it. Oh my god, why is this true? This is like the other butter slime, but a little bit better. So like it's easy to do that. But like it's kind of sticky. It's like it sticks just a little bit. So yeah, I like the slime. This is like one of my favorite slimes. It's so pretty. It looks kind of darker in real life, and like person it looks dark, like, not like that dark, kind of dark, and in camera it looks kind of bright. So yeah, last and final. Next, last, but certainly not the least, one like I think this is my favorite. So it is blue. Look at the rest of it. Blue and gold glitter slime. I love this. It's so pretty, like beautiful. And let me see how it looks. You guys can't see this. Sorry. Okay, so it's so stretchy. My hands are all glittery. Great, I like glitter. So glitter's pretty. I'm sure a lot of you think glitter is pretty, but I do too, because I love glitter. Do you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. I can see you guys. See you. Okay, so that was the end of this video. Professor will shout out next week's video. Comment what your favorite slime was. And I'll shout you out. Maybe. If I get my comment store. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks so much. Goodbye.